Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Antimalware Service Executable high CPU uses MsMpEng.Exe problem. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, then click on Settings, and in here click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now underneath Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. Here you will see exclusions. Microsoft Defender antivirus won't scan items that have been excluded. Excluded items could contain threats that make your device. Now guys, underneath exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. If it will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now click on Add an exclusion. Select File. Now here select this PC, then local disk, and here select Program Files. Now here guys, find out Windows Defender. So select Windows Defender. Now in this list you have to find out this one, MsMpEng. So select it. Now guys, close and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps, we can fix Antimalware Service Executable high CPU uses. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.